Great seeing you here again. This is our last video in this lesson, and of course we will have a conclusion or an overview of the lesson after this, but this is the last video in which I will teach you something specific. We are still in my course, Masterclass in Project Management, and here I will look deeper into the power of the project management. We have to consider the project manager and the organizational structure and what is the power of the project manager. We can look at organic and matrix structures. We can look at functional, multidivisional, project, virtual, hybrid, and the PMO. So let's have a look at the power of the project manager. When we look at the power of the project manager, we must consider the different organizational structures in which the PMO will operate and how we call the project manager. In the functional or weak matrix, here we have a low authority, which means we will not call the person in charge of a project manager, but it will be a project expeditor. A different element is when we have a balanced matrix or a virtual organization. Here we have moderate authority and we call the project manager a project coordinator. When we have a strong matrix, a projectized organization, or a PMO organization, here we have a high authority and we refer to the project manager as a project manager. Here we have some overviews of the different organizational structures. What do you find here? You have the organizational structures, organic, matrix, strong, weak, balanced. We look at the different conditions here, resources availability, the project management role, let's say, the project manager authority, who manage the budget, project administrative staff, which is available. You can stop the video here and read all the different elements. This is basically a document which comes from the PMBOK guide, the 6th edition. And it's in fact still valid, of course, when we're looking at project management. So if you stop it here, you can look at the different items. This is the second part that we have here. We look at a functional centralized organization, a multidivisional organization, a project-oriented organization, or a composite or a hybrid, a virtual organization, a hybrid organization, and the PMO itself. So you can stop the video here and look at these different elements that relate to the different organizational structures and what is in fact managed by the project manager and by other managers. That's it for the power of the project manager. It was the last video in which I was teaching something, so the next video is just about an overview of this lesson. So that's it. Thank you very much, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next videos and in the next lesson. You did a great job. You finished lesson 4, and that's already an achievement because you're already passed through many videos. Thank you, and bye-bye.